Okay, you clicked on this video because you want to learn how to use one of these things, right? Okay, so this is a caulk gun, and by the time that we get done with this video, you're going to be an expert on how to use this easy tool and know exactly which one to buy. So I started off with the heavy duty caulk gun. This is the type of caulk gun I recommend you buying. Now I know it's a little bit more expensive than the other two that I'm going to show you really quick, but you can buy one of these for around $15 to $20, an actual heavy duty caulk gun that us contractors use. And this is just one of the products I don't recommend you going cheap on. It's a tool that's easy to use, but the cheap ones will end up costing you at the end, and it's a really big pain in the butt to use them. Okay, so we're gonna start off and I'm gonna show you some of the features on the caulk gun. So this is your lever to use it just like you're gonna shoot a gun. You squeeze this, and what this does is actually pushes up your plunger. I'm gonna show you how to pull it back in just a moment, but this is what this is for. This is actually what your actuator is gonna be. Use this needle actually to plug whenever you have your material. So once you cut this off, you're actually going to plug this and make sure this is opened up before you start using your material. And I'll explain about this in just a moment. And then this lever allows you to pull this rod back and open up your gun, to open up the cartridge to get ready to go ahead and put in your material. So what we're going to do next is I'm going to show you how to use this thing. Okay, so before I do that, I will show you how to cut this open. There's a couple of ways of doing this. There are a couple of caulk guns actually right here, and I'll show you one of these that has a little opening where you can actually slice off the top of this. You can use that, but I don't recommend that because it's not very easy to use, and a lot of times it doesn't cut this off evenly. So I recommend using a utility knife and cutting it at a 45-degree angle. You want to start off small, because what I mean by that is you want to start off closer to the top, because the further down you go, the bigger bead of your material is going to be coming out. So you want to start off small and then go bigger. Okay, so utility knife to open this up. So once you get this cut open, your actuator here to open it, you're going to load your cartridge in of whatever material that you're going to be using. Make sure this is all the way back. And it's going to pop in there. And then all you're going to do is squeeze and squeeze slowly, and then your material will start coming out. This is how you use it. It's a very, very simple tool to use. Okay, so I'm gonna show you a couple other caulk guns real quick. Now again, I don't recommend buying these, but if you're really on a budget, we'll start off with the one that you can buy and the one just do not buy and stay away from. Okay, so this is just a kind of a medium duty type gun. It's still gonna have your actuator here. It works the same way. You depress this, pull this back, you can load it. Now this one does have one of the spout cutters. Now you can use this. Again, it doesn't work very well, but if you don't have a utility knife, or it's going to be one or two projects and then you're going to put this thing away, you can use this, but just know that you're not going to get the most accurate bead to come out with your material because you're not using a utility knife. Most likely this is going to be a little bit more difficult to use. And a lot of times when you stick this in here, you're going to have to cut this, and you may have to spin it a little bit, but it is kind of a pain in the butt to use, but this will work. The absolute last one, and again, I recommend not using this, is they sell this at Lowe's and a bunch of hardware stores. This is your just basic caulk gun. You can use this, again, if you got a utility knife, you can cut off the top and it will work. A lot of times these are a pain in the butt because this will, as you depress, and you're trying to squeeze out the last bit of material, a lot of times these will start to bend and you can shoot your material out, and you're gonna have to replace this anyway. I had to borrow this from one of my neighbors for this video. I gave him a lot of crap for having it, but this one also doesn't have the spout opener, so basically if you don't have a way to cut open the nozzle on your material, then you're not going to be able to use it anyway. And this also doesn't have an actuator, so this is literally just something to squeeze the material out. But I don't recommend buying this one. This one costs like $5. You can spend an extra 10 and get the nice heavy duty gun. Okay guys, so now you are a caulking expert. You're gonna be able to use your caulk gun and be able to start on your project, whether it's indoor or outdoor. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you enjoy our content, please give us a subscribe. Digital Roofing Innovations wants to make sure that we give you the absolute easiest way to get something done, and we believe in using a modern approach with traditional values. Have a great day.